welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions. Physics 2018, question 33. The difference observed in solids, liquids, and gases may be accounted for by A. Their relative masses, B. Their melting points, C. The spacing and forces acting between the molecules, D. The different molecules in each of them. Now, for us to be able to appreciate this very well, we need to know about the kinetic theory of matter. We need to know about the what? Kinetic theory of matter, which actually states that matter is made up of small particles. So if we have solid, we have these particles, they are more closely packed together, making very less movement. Then if you have a liquid, there is more space in between them, so the intermolecular force is holding them is smaller. It's not as so tight as that of solid. Now if you have gases, they are widely dispersed with much spacing between them and lesser forces between the molecules. So this is where we have what we call solid, and here we have liquid, and here we have gases. So you see that their behavior is a function of, number one, the space in between them, then number two, the intermolecular forces between them. So we have the spaces and the spacing and the forces. So this makes option C the right option for these. So what determines the difference in the behavior of solid, liquid, and gases is the intermolecular forces and the spacing between them, and that is why there is lesser space between the molecules of the solid. There is much better space here in liquid, and even much better space in gases. Then the molecular forces here are very strong, holding them together, preventing much movement. Here it is lesser, there is movement, and here it is even lesser, making there to be dispersed random motion. So C is the correct answer for these. Thank you.